Another episode of Checking In with Big Jim. I seen him out here in the lot just chilling by himself. Let's go see what the big fella's into. Well, Jim's just kind of hanging out there in the lot, waiting for the doors to open to get some more feed. What do you think about it there, Jim? Where's everybody else? All right then. Well, Jim's just chilling in the lot by himself, which I guess absolutely is his prerogative. Put Mom's little bird feeder back out. Gonna see if I can't snap some pictures of some birds. We'll sneak around the corner and see if anybody's out here yet. Nobody yet. But I believe that we will have some birds.